This video will serve as a clear, exam-focused guide to maintaining water balance, covering homeostasis, osmoregulation, and the vital role of the antidiuretic hormone, or ADH. Homeostasis is how the body maintains a stable internal environment, a critical aspect of which is regulating water levels. Imbalances can damage cells via osmosis, causing them to shrink or swell. The body constantly monitors and adjusts water content to prevent this. The kidneys are the primary organs for regulating water balance. Every minute they filter approximately 1.2 liters of blood, removing waste and excess substances before returning clean blood to the circulation. Blood filtering involves 3 stages: filtration, reabsorption, and excretion. This process retains necessary substances while efficiently removing waste. The composition of urine is a direct reflection of the body's current water status. Filtered out substances like urea and excess water leave the blood and form urine. Reabsorbed substances, including all glucose, useful mineral ions, and the correct amount of water, are returned to the blood. Only waste and excess are expelled in urine. Osmoregulation is the specific regulation of water and ion concentrations, a form of homeostasis that keeps blood water potential constant. It uses a continuous feedback loop between the brain and kidneys, mediated by the hormone ADH. The hypothalamus in the brain constantly monitors the blood's water potential. When levels drop, the hypothalamus detects the concentration increase and triggers the pituitary gland to release ADH into the bloodstream. The kidneys then respond by adjusting water reabsorption. ADH stands for antidiuretic hormone, which works against excess urine production to retain water. It's produced in the hypothalamus, released by the pituitary gland, and acts on the kidneys, increasing the permeability of the tubules to water. The body needs more ADH when blood water levels are too low, resulting in concentrated blood. This often happens during intense exercise, hot weather, insufficient fluid intake, or after eating salty foods. During dehydration, the hypothalamus detects concentrated blood, signaling the pituitary to release ADH. The kidneys reabsorb more water, resulting in concentrated urine. This negative feedback loop restores normal blood concentration, reducing ADH release. High ADH makes kidney-collecting ducts and distal tubules more permeable to water. More water is reabsorbed by osmosis, leading to a decreased urine volume. The resulting urine is small in volume and highly concentrated, or darker in color. Urine appearance indicates hydration. High ADH leads to dark amber, very concentrated urine, signaling dehydration. Yellow urine indicates moderate ADH, and pale straw urine shows low ADH, meaning you are well hydrated. The body needs less ADH when blood water levels are too high, such as after drinking a large amount of fluid. The hypothalamus detects the drop in blood concentration, and the pituitary gland releases less ADH. This signals the kidneys to reabsorb less water, allowing more to pass into the urine and restoring balance. In case of overhydration, blood dilutes, which the hypothalamus senses. Less ADH is released, so the kidneys reabsorb less water. This results in more dilute urine. This negative feedback ensures blood concentration returns to normal, and ADH release decreases. Low ADH makes the collecting ducts less permeable to water, leading to less water reabsorbed. Urine volume increases, and the urine is large in volume, very dilute, and lighter in color. A high ADH level results in more permeable kidneys and more water reabsorbed, producing small, concentrated, dark urine. Conversely, low ADH means less permeable kidneys, less water reabsorbed, and large, dilute, pale urine. This link is key for exam success. The full negative feedback loop starts with a drop in blood water, detected by the hypothalamus, leading to the pituitary releasing ADH. ADH makes kidney tubules more permeable, more water is reabsorbed, and blood water returns to normal, completing the self-regulating loop. The pituitary gland, although small, plays a large role in hormonal systems. It receives instructions from the hypothalamus and releases ADH directly into the bloodstream, allowing the ADH signal to reach the kidneys quickly for an efficient water balance response. The ADH system exemplifies negative feedback. A deviation is detected. A corrective response like ADH release or reduction adjusts kidney behavior, and balance is restored, switching off the initial response. When blood is too concentrated, the hypothalamus detects the change, prompting the pituitary gland to release more ADH. This increases water reabsorption in the kidneys, leading to concentrated urine and restoring balance. The single most important exam point is that more ADH equals more water reabsorbed. Remember, ADH reduces urine volume and increases concentration. Do not confuse the direction of this relationship. Avoid common exam mistakes. ADH does not make you urinate more. It reduces urine volume. ADH is released by the pituitary gland, not the hypothalamus. High water levels mean less ADH is released, not more. For an exam question about dehydration, the model answer should include: blood water concentration falls, hypothalamus detects the change, pituitary releases more ADH, kidney tubules become more permeable, and less water is lost in concentrated urine. For a question about low ADH after drinking water, the answer should mention: blood water concentration rises, less ADH is released, kidney tubules become less permeable, and a larger volume of dilute urine is produced. Key terms include homeostasis, osmoregulation, ADH, negative feedback, pituitary gland, hypothalamus, reabsorption, and filtration. Ensure you understand the definitions, especially how ADH is a hormone that regulates water in the kidneys. Quickfire review. More ADH means more concentrated urine, which is true. The statement that ADH is released by the hypothalamus is false. Dehydration causing ADH levels to rise is true. Dilute urine equals high ADH is false. Urine appearance is evidence of ADH activity. Dark, small volume urine indicates high ADH and severe dehydration. Pale, large volume urine indicates low ADH and good hydration. Water balance is crucial for cell function. Too little water causes cells to shrink, impairing enzyme and nerve function. Too much water causes cells to swell and may lead to brain swelling, making osmoregulation vital for a stable internal environment. Osmoregulation connects to other topics like osmosis, which explains water movement in kidney tubules. It's part of hormonal communication, linking to the endocrine system, and is a perfect example of negative feedback, a concept used across homeostasis. Remember these key facts. There are 2 kidneys, filtering approximately 1.2 liters of blood per minute, and the average urine output is 1 to 2 liters per day adjusted by ADH. The collecting duct is where ADH primarily acts. High ADH inserts water channels, called aquaporins, into the duct walls, dramatically increasing water permeability. Remember, ADH increases permeability, allowing osmosis to reabsorb water into the blood. This mind map summarizes the ADH water balance system. Use it to ensure you can explain every link, from the stimulus, through the hypothalamus and pituitary, to the kidney response, and the final effect on urine and blood water levels. This checklist covers all the essential knowledge for your exam. Make sure you can confidently check off every box, from defining homeostasis to describing the negative feedback loop for water balance. The final summary covers the key takeaways. Homeostasis is maintaining a stable internal environment. Kidneys filter blood, ADH regulates water reabsorption, and negative feedback restores balance automatically. You're ready. Remember the golden rule. More ADH means more water reabsorbed, leading to less, more concentrated urine. Less ADH means the opposite. Review the checklist and practice exam questions. Good luck!